Think dating stops at 40? Think again. Meet name. A 76-year-old woman who's redefining love, relationships, and intimacy in her golden years. You won't believe what she has to say about dating after 75. Stay tuned till the end because her insights might just change the way you see love forever. Segment 1. Is love still possible after 75? A lot of people think that after a certain age, dating just stops. But did you know? A recent study published in the Journal of Gerontology found that over 60% of people above 70 are still romantically or sexually active. Yup, love doesn't retire. But how do older people even meet someone new? Especially in a world of dating apps and social media. Well, let's find out. Segment 2. How do you even meet someone new? While dating apps like Tinder and Bumble seem to be for Gen Z and millennials, platforms like Our Time and Silver Singles are designed specifically for seniors. In fact, Our Time reports that its user base has grown by 36% in the last 2 years. But wait, what about intimacy? Is it still the same, or does it change with age? Segment 3. Let's talk about intimacy. Believe it or not, hormonal changes don't mean the end of intimacy, they just mean it evolves. According to Dr. Stacy Tesler-Lindau, a professor at the University of Chicago, emotional intimacy often deepens with age. But how do you navigate a new relationship after losing a partner or being single for decades? Let's find out. Segment 4. Dating after loss or a divorce. Losing a life partner is incredibly difficult. But many seniors find that companionship, laughter, and emotional support are still possible. Experts recommend taking things slow, focusing on friendship first, and being open to new experiences. But wait, not all older women want relationships. Some just want fun. Let's talk about that. Segment 5. Not everyone wants marriage. Some women over 75 are not looking to settle down again, and that's okay. Many are choosing companionship without commitment. In fact, a study in the New England Journal of Medicine found that 45% of senior women prefer casual relationships over marriage. So, is dating after 75 different? Absolutely. Is it impossible? Not at all. But the real question is, are you open to love at any age? If you loved this conversation, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more real-life stories and expert advice. And tell us in the comments, do you believe love has an age limit? We'd love to hear your thoughts.